In this video, I will show you how to get tokens in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on the Monopoly Go app. I'm currently logged in, and at the moment there's actually two ways to get tokens. Now the first way to do this is if you come down to the bar at the bottom and you want to press onto your album. Now if you look at the very top, you can see currently there's a token available to win. You've actually got 60 days to complete your album. Once you do that, you will be able to go ahead and obtain this hammer token. Now this does change every couple of months, but at the moment this is the token being offered. So what you want to do is complete an album to obtain that token. The second method to get tokens is if you come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to open up the menu. And what you want to do is come down to the daily treats section. Now if you look here, if you actually log in successfully for 7 days, on day 7 you'll be given a token, and you can see at the moment this is the cat token. So in order to do this, of course, you want to log in 7 days in a row, and once you've done that you'll get the prizes on day 7, and one of those does include this cat token. So that's how to go ahead and get tokens in Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.